जैसे कि आपको पता ही है कि आज जेके सिविल सर्विस का दूसरा टेस्ट था इकोनॉमिक्स का, जिसमें टोटल 10 क्वेश्चन थे। तो मैंने एक क्वेश्चन खुद किए, तो मेरे जो ठीक थे वो 9 थे आउट ऑफ 10। तो अगर आप जेके सिविल सर्विस पे जाओगे तो आपको 500 देने होंगे इस टेस्ट के लिए, बट मैं आपको फ्री में दे रहा हूँ। सिर्फ आपको करना क्या है, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना है और शेयर करना है, बाकी कुछ नहीं। सो फ्रेंड्स, चलते हैं हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 की तरफ। तो ये देख सकते हैं आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हेन डेवलपमेंट इन इकोनॉमी टेक्स प्लेस द शेयर ऑफ द टेरिशरी सेक्टर इन नेशनल इनकम। ऑप्शन ए फर्स्ट फॉल्स एंड द राइजेस। Option number B, first rises and then falls. Option C, keeps on increasing. And option 4, remains constant. So right answer is option number C. Question number 2, GDP is defined as the value of all. Option A, goods produced in an economy in a year. Option B, goods and services in any economy in a year. Option C, final goods produced in an economy in a year. And option D, the final goods and services produced in any economy in a year. So option D is the right answer. Question number 3, the major aim of devaluation is to encourage exporters, encourage importers, encourage both exporters and importers. And option D is discourage both exporters and importers. Option A is correct answer, encourage exporters. Question number 4, who has the sole right is to issue paper currency in India? The government of India A. Option B, the Finance Commission. Option C, the Central Bank of India. And option D, the Reserve Bank of India. So option D is right answer, Reserve Bank of India. So question number 5, inflation is caused by. Option is increase in supply of goods. Option B, increase in cash with the government. Decrease in money supply, option C. And option D is increase in money supply. So the right answer is option D. Bank rate is the rate. Question number 6. Option A, at which banks lends money to the depositors. Option B, at which Reserve Bank of India lends money to commercial banks. Option C, the rate at which banks lend to the industrial financial institutions. And option D, none of the above. So right answer is option number B. Question number 7, LQP Raj refers to license quota privatization Raj. Option B, liberalization quota permit Raj. Option C, license quota permit Raj. Option number D, license quota privatization Raj. So the option number C is correct answer, license quota permit Raj. Question number 8, in context of law of variable propositions, consider the following assumptions taken. Option A, only one factor is variable while others are held constant. Option B, assumes a short run situation. Option C, all factors of production are variable at the same time. Option D, all units of the variable factor are homogeneous. तो इसका जो राइट आंसर है इसमें ऑप्शन ए, ऑप्शन बी एंड ऑप्शन डी। जो सी है वो इसका नहीं है, ऑल फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन आर वेरिएबल एट द सेम टाइम। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, द डिजायर टू हैव commodity or services is called utility, goods, none of the above, have want. So right answer is want. Question number 10, welfare definition of economic was given by A. Adam Smith, B. Alfred Marshall, C. L. Robbins, and D. Samuelson. So the right answer is B. Alfred Marshall. So friends, thank you for watching this. Please subscribe our channel. So we upload more quizzes. Thank you.